Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of MongoDB tutorial. So today we are going to fetch whatever we have inserted in the collection. We are going to using the function find. We are going to find all the rows whatever in the tables. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit like to my video. Okay, so let's get started. So to find what, so currently you can see that in the post we have three rows, right? So how we are going to find all the this collection records from the console of this Mongo shell? So what we have to write is db dot, here we have db dot collection. You can write it here, but here we have posts, so you can mention posts dot find. Okay, and curly braces, and you can see that we are able to find all the records whatever we have in the this collections, post collections. You can use users also, whatever the data we have users, you can also use this. Okay, so we can see that users we have, customers we don't have, I guess. Whatever we have next, that we have the jobs we have, so we can also use jobs over here. So this is how we can fetch all the data, all the tables collections, tables, whatever it contains, with the help of the find function. Jobs it doesn't have. Okay, so you can see that if with the help of the find function we can find the records of whatever in the collection or tables in the with the help of the Mongo shell. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a great day.